Itong two may look identical, both glow under UV, pero hindi sila what you think. Most people think sila ay uranium glass, pero which isn't. So ano ba yung difference at paano mo sila tinatell apart? Yung confusion between them ay yung thorium glass at uranium glass nakakapag-both glow under UV light, though yung thorium glows faintly, at yung mga radioactivity levels nakakapag-similar depending sa detector used. Some of yung mga uranium glass ay light yellowish to green, making them itsurang comparable, which nakakapag-cause ng confusion sa mga collectors. Ano ba ang thorium glass? Ang thorium glass contains thorium dioxide, which ay pale yellow or amber hue. At yung radioisotope present sa kanila ay yung thorium-232, which ay known for mag-emit ng alpha radiation, as well as some gamma rays. May kasama pang very long half-life, around 14 billion years. At also, thorium glass ay many uses too. Ito ay widely used sa mga old camera lenses, glass, ceramics, at mga welding rods. Ano ba ang uranium glass? Ang uranium glass meron itong famous uranium oxide added during sa mga manufacturing process. One of yung mga famous things sa kanila ay itong bright green glow under UV light kasi meron itong uranyl ions. Ang ginagawa nila ay na-absorb nila yung UV light at re-emit sa visible light form, causing yung bright green color. Yung radioisotope sa kanila ay uranium-238. Also, meron ng long half-life, 4.5 billion years. Radiation emitted ay mainly alpha, beta, at weak gamma rays. Sila ay commonly used sa mga vintage dinnerware, glass, at ceramics, even mga vintage tiles dito sa California. So, i-measure natin sila. As nakikita mo, yung uranium glass nakakapagbigay ng higher readings than thorium. Pero pag ginamit ko itong radii PRD, yung thorium glass nagpapakita ng higher reading. Why? Kasi yung radii PRD ginagamit itong sodium iodide thallium dope scintillation crystal. Yan ay far more sensitive sa mga gamma rays at x-rays. At yung thorium decay chain, mas meron yung several energetic daughters like radium-228 at actinium-228. Pero itong radii-20 IgM detector which ay great sa mga particle counting kasi itong pancake probe. So next time na find mo itong type of yellow glass sa antique shop or thrift shop at nagre-read higher sa scintillation device, huwag mo lang assume ito ay uranium glass. Ito might be thorium. Both ay radioactive pero sa different ways. Meron ka bang any question? Drop it mo sa comments below. Pag na-enjoy mo itong video, please give it one like at subscribe sa aking channel for more exciting content. Salamat sa papanood! Wait, huwag ka mag-click away yet. Akala mo itong video was over? Nope. Ito ang aking unreleased 2025 version itong exact YouTube video. Na-scrap ko itong video at never made it to YouTube kasi hindi ako happy how yung video ended up. Looking back now, ito pretty cool to see how much yung aking filming, editing, pacing, at yung storytelling have improved over in past year. So, here you go. Kamusta mga kaibigan? In this video, ipapakita sa yung difference between thorium glass at uranium glass. Uranium glass ay made with small amount of uranium oxide, usually 2%. Pag kumuha ka ng UV light at sinilay mo sa uranium glass, magaglow sila ng bright green under UV light kasi yung uranium oxide in-absorb yung UV light at nire-emit parang visible light. Thorium glass faintly glows under UV light pero ito ay still radioactive. Same process sa uranium glass as ginagawa nila at sila ay often used para sa camera lenses para sa high refractive index at reduced chromatic aberrations. Sa antique shops, uranium glass ay easier to spot especially once sa display. I-shine mo lang UV light at look for yung green glow. Sa radii-20, uranium glass ay nagpapakita ng higher readings than thorium glass. Pero sa radii PRD, nakikita mo yung difference. Unlike uranium glass, thorium glass walang ganyang green glow. Yung radii PRD ay mas sensitive sa gamma radiation kasi gumagamit sila ng sodium iodide scintillation crystal detector, while itong radii-20 GM pancake sensitive sa alpha at beta particles. Pag na-enjoy mo itong video, please pabigyan ng like at subscribe sa aking channel for more content like this. Salamat sa panood at kita-kita sa next video.